Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unpackaging here. I know I said no more knives, but this one, I don't know, my friend Kyle reached out to me and asked if I wanted to buy this, so I said yeah, sure, why not. So let's check this out. It's a Civivi knife. I have a knife here, so I guess I might as well cut it open. I've not had one of these knives before. I'm really not much of a knife guy, but I seem to be buying quite a few of them here lately, so clearly not a knife guy. I got a dull knife here. Knife with two dull blades. Oh, there we go. That one will do it. If I didn't cut anything too important on the inside. There we go. I don't even know the name of it. Okay, there we go. Civivi Conspirator. Kind of a neat name for a knife, I guess. This should be open already. It's a used knife. I think it's gently used. So let's open this up. Nice little carrying case pouch here. I guess these knives come with microfiber cloths. I'm just used to these for watches, not necessarily for knives, but that's cool. I guess you can wipe your blade down with that. I think this has a fairly longer blade. I don't really have knives this large. You know, I don't even know what this is made out of. I'm assuming it looks like it's micarta. But I'm not much of a knife guy, so yeah, I can't flick it with just a groove. Not that good yet. So yeah, this is a cool blade, Damascus. I've never had a blade with Damascus steel before. That's the main reason why I bought this. Wanted to check out the Damascus steel. I didn't realize you could actually feel the grooves on here. I thought it was just a visual appearance thing. So that is cool. So is this kind of like a... Oh no, okay. So this is kind of like a safety on a rifle. There's a bar. The bar is two different diameters, so the thinner diameter allows the blade to travel through, and then the larger one stops it. It looks like it's probably spring loaded from the backside there. So that's a neat locking system here. I'm not sure what that's called, but it works pretty well. Actually, I wonder if you can... Yeah, okay. I don't know, I don't have much practice with that, but I think you can flick it open. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Just open it like that, I guess. So yeah, very cool. Oh, there we go. I got it that time. Well, that has some nice fidget factor to it. If I can do it this way. I guess I can. Not quite as fast. Oh, there we go. So, quick look at the Civivi Conspirator. So, I'll try not to do too many of these knives videos. I'm just getting pulled into the knife hobby, I guess. I mean, there's so many different knives out there, so many different things I want to check out. But this is, you know, mainly a watch channel, so try and stick to watches. It seems like it would have a groove here, but it's not quite as prominent as the groove on this side. So I'm not sure what that's there for. Maybe for your finger here like that. I don't know. Anyway, quick look at this knife. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.